Walaikum Assalam, Abdurrahman, how are you?
Within chapter 67 verse 3 Surah Al-Mulk, Allah says that He has created death and life. الذي خلق الموت والحياة. My question is, how is death created, and why death is mentioned before life when it comes after life?
Before life? What?
He said how death was created, and why was it? What is the wisdom that it was mentioned before life, death then life?
خلق الموت والحياة. In this, maut is mentioned before,
yes,
and life afterwards.
Yes,
that's right. It's a very good question, I must say. Before life, what was there? Death or no? So death should be mentioned before. When there was no life, there was death. But only Allah's will was there to create. So first of all, He created death, because death also is no independent force. Even death is under Allah's command. This is the meaning. So He created death, and from death He created life. Otherwise, from death, life cannot be created, like the evolutionists call. It's stupid, extremely stupid, that death should automatically come to life. So the Quran's order of the words is full of significance.